Some people think AI is gonna take over everything. They think it's an absolute threat to our creative world, maybe even to humanity. Other people think it's nothing to worry about. Now, I believe that AI has helped us so much in learning faster, and it actually enhanced our creative skill set. Let me know your thoughts on this. Now, speaking of AI, FL Studio has a lot of built-in AI tools that will blow your mind. Starting with number 1, automatic mastering. That's right, there's actually a tool in FL Studio that will automatically master your track for YouTube, Spotify, basically anything. To use that feature, go to the File menu on top and find Export. Then click on Master. In this window, give it a name. Then on the bottom, you can choose the loudness of your track. Or even easier, open up the drop-down menu and choose a platform you want your track to be mastered for. Once that's done, you can choose to create up to 2 masters. I recommend choosing your track genre for Master A. Then for Master B, let FL Studio figure it out by choosing Automatic. Now all that's left to do is click Start. Then when FL Studio is done mastering, you can check A or B and decide which one is the best version for you. Oh, and the top track is just the original unmastered track. FL Studio will then save your file, and that's it. A few years ago, this was not possible, but wait until you hear about AI tool number 2. This one is actually a plugin from SonarWorks called SoundID VoiceAI. Guys, listen up. This plugin will transform any vocal track of yours into one of these realistic singing voices from this list. Let me demonstrate. This is the original track.
You leave me wanting more, 'cause I can never get enough.
And this is one of the VoiceAI singers.
Leaves me wanting more every time you close the door.
This sounds incredible. It even gets rid of reverb. This makes your vocal dry and gives you full control. I mean, now, it's also super easy to use. You just apply the voice AI like any other effect onto a mixer track. Then in the plugin, choose a voice that you like. You can preview it right here. Let's use Emily's voice. Record your DAW input, and once it's done, click on Process. It is that simple. Besides vocals, you can also transform your humming sound like an instrument. This is a clip of a woman humming something random. Now in Voice AI, go to the Creative tab and choose an instrument, for example the saxophone. That sounds amazing. You can do so much cool stuff with this. The best thing is, you can even run this plugin on a potato because it doesn't really use your computer's hardware. This plugin uses cloud processing, which means that their servers will do all the work for you. Now, really important, this is a plugin, not a standalone. You need FL Studio or another DAW to use it. Also, with this plugin, you don't need to worry about subscriptions or anything. It's free to download, and once you're ready to go, you can update your balance by purchasing tokens. So you only have to pay a small fee whenever you need it. No money wasted at all. Anyway, if you want to level up your music, check out Voice AI by clicking the link down below. It's time for AI tool number 3, the stem splitter. With this tool, you can literally drag any song into FL and extract all the stems from it.
What you see, the perseverance of a young man sitting is so free.
To do that, go to your audio clip in the playlist. Then open up the menu and choose Extract Stems from Sample. Then in this window, you can choose what stems you actually want, such as the drums, bass, instruments, and vocals. You even have an option to limit the CPU usage, which is awesome. When you're ready, click on Extract. And there you go, you now know how to extract stems from any song.
What you see, the perseverance of a young man sitting is so free.
Tool number 4. This one is a DeClipper that uses AI to fix a clipping sound as good as possible. To use this, right-click your sample in the browser and choose Edit in Audio Editor. You can also open up a sample from the channel rack and right-click it. That way you can also access the audio editor. Now once you're in Edison, click the denoise button. Kinda looks like a toothbrush. Then in this window, disable the denoiser and make sure the DeClipper is enabled. When that's done, play around with the threshold until you're satisfied. Then just click on Accept. It's that simple. Tool number 5. This one is a chord generator, which you can use to generate chords, obviously. I'll tell you everything about that in the next video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Goodbye.